Well, this is a story about environmental sustainability. This is a story about environmental stewardship. Making clean groundwater in North Carolina is difficult and it's expensive. One of the go-to technologies right now is bioremediation. And the way bioremediation works is that there's naturally occurring bacteria that's in the ground, in the aquifers. And some very smart people realize that if you feed them a carbon source, or food if you will, they grow. When they metabolize, they actually kick off a byproduct that destroys the chlorinated solvents in the groundwater. I know some folks in the beverage industry, and I know they use a lot of high-fructose corn syrup.
Anything that was unsold would be brought back to the distribution warehouses that we had, and the liquid that we use, we typically would just put that down the drain.
We average about 45 million gallons of flow a day, and they're one of our largest customers. And so whatever the strength of their wastewater is, it can affect us here.
Chris came to the idea with me and mentioned it, and just, of course, on the surface it sounds funny, like we're going to make clean groundwater with expired beverage product. And so, you know, the first reaction aside, it's like, huh, that's really interesting. You know, it gets pretty exciting pretty quickly.
We did a test. It was a tremendous success. We were really pleased with the outcome of it. I think everybody involved was very happy with it.
Through the pilot study for that site in Richmond County, we needed 350,000 pounds of something, some carbon, some food, to feed the bacteria. And when we simply replaced the beverage remediation product with a store-bought thing that we had, we're saving over $1.5 million for that one site. So that's a big deal.
We have less loads coming in that we're able to then distribute elsewhere to our customers. So it's win-win.
It was just a great story to tell. I mean, you know, you hear about Pepsi being used for cleaning all kinds of things, from, you know, people put it on their windshields, take bugs off of them. But, you know, this is a great story. I mean, not only are we have a product that we can actually use to clean water, which is, you know, everybody's got to be happy about that.
There's so many win-wins for, you know, interagency cooperation, for industry, for the city of Raleigh, for the environment and public health.
Really, the message here is that this is really a simple solution to a very complex problem, and it puts tax dollars to good use. And, you know, from a personal, professional standpoint, this has just been the neatest project to work with all these folks, the most probably rewarding project that I've been involved in.